welcome to the Monster Jam San Jose. We're going to do Lucas Stabilizer, Max D, Big Kahuna, Ryan Anderson, Son of a Digger, Monster Energy, and I'll count them. We're doing 8 trucks. We're doing 2 wheel skills for his first off. And he's going to try to make a stunt and go to judgeszone.com. I'm just pretending that's like a real show. I'm just sorry. Oh! I know it has a quiet. Oh, he's having a hard time. Is he going to turn the line off or just a different one? Oh! Oh, do you see that? Like, so, after this, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a tour. What's the new update? Like, this is the brand new map. He's having a hard time, so that will end it. Next up is Big Kahuna. Alright. So, Big Kahuna is gonna Oh, yeah, but it's raining. It is raining here hard right now, so here in Giveaway. So tell me in the comments if you live here. Oh, he's trying to line up for that. Then he's trying to get on the refire. Oh, no. Okay, that was a close call. He's trying to make a stunt, but he's taking forever. Oh my god. Oh my, he's not really doing good. Oh snap. Things you gotta try. Oh no. Oh, they'll end it. He's like, he's trying to make a stunt, but he's just taking forever. Okay, never mind. I was trying to spawn. I'm not spawning that. All right, this is 3 out of 8. Oh, he's just having a hard time. Okay, you ready? I think he's ready. Yeah! Oh! Next up is Northern Nightmare. So he hasn't been into my videos before. And this is his very first time being in a video. Oh! Oh! Yes! And then he's trying to line up. And then he's trying to do backflip to a moonwalk. Oh, never mind, I guess. Oh! And that will end it. That will be our new leader. Next up is Kraken. 5 out of 8. Got Kraken. Oh, that was disqualified. So they're trying to back up in order to stop themselves. But it's just keep going. Next up we got El Toro Loki. I'm sorry, El Toro Loca. I just want to call it El Toro Loki. Okay, so this is 7 out of 8. Oh yes, he's good at stompies, so I think it will be a good one for him. Guys, be quiet. Can you guys hear the raindrops? Tell me in the comments. I could hear it too. I'll be quiet for 5 seconds. Can you hear it? Tell me in the comments. Oh! Oh, you got much no momentum. Oh, man, bruh. Yeah! Oh! All right, your final truck is Ryan Anderson, son of a digger. I'm rolling for ball number 8. All right, I think it's trying to line up for a Stompy. Oh, it's all about stunt. So I think he's trying to line up for a Stompy. Oh, snap. He's having a really hard time. Oh, jeez. Okay, I think that will end it. And your winner, tell me in the comments. I don't know. It's kind of close, though. Right, next up is freestyle. Oh, that was close. Starting to get packed. Stop it. First up is Ryan Anderson, son of a digger. Oh, almost a Stompy right there. Yes! Oh! That'll end it. Next up is Big Hole. Okay, never mind why they just keep spawning the wrong one. Okay, the next up is Big Kahuna. He knows it's freestyle. He's just trying to get on the top. Oh, he's not lining up for that. Oh, he's not lining up for that. Ah! Oh, yeah. Oh. He's trying to line up. Yeah, Big Kahuna. I know there's other players because they know it's the new update that came out. Why they wouldn't tell us the new update that came out? And once I got in here, I noticed it was not whacking me. I was like, how's that doing that? And I noticed there was like a new map, and I noticed it's like, wow. I was like, I like this new update. Sorry about that. What is going on right now? What in the world is going on? I'm sorry about that. Bro, chill. Okay, I'll end the run for him. He has enough. Next up is Monster Energy. I know it's packed here because, I'm sorry, it's just packed. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah. Oh, that will end it. He's trying to make a bicycle, but it failed. Next up, we got Kraken. All right, Kraken is going on. He's going to try to make a good run. Oh, yeah, backflip time. Oh, what was that? Oh! Oh, my. He's trying to make a backflip. Oh, jeez. Bro, it's totally having a hard time. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, are you? No. Yes. Oh! my God. I think he's trying to be our new leader. He's just flooring it. He does not care. Bro, Kraken, he's just going a really good run. Nice bicycle right there. I don't know if that counts as a bicycle, but he's just still flooring it. Oh, yeah, reverse time. Reverse time. No! No, he didn't make it. Why is he having a hard time? He's trying to make a backflip, but it's just not going well. You. Okay, I think he's done. Next up is El Toro Loco Black. Before, let me go see how hard is the rain. I think he's trying to get on a refire. Oh, shit. Okay, it is raining hard out there, and I just left it open just in case. Alright. And El Toro Loco Black is having a really good run. Sorry that took a long time, but can you hear it? I'll be quiet. Alright, backflip time. Oh, so close. I think he's just going to lose. He have a choice. He has a choice. He's stuck. He is stuck. That will end it, the run. Bro. Water. Bro, this thing is so wet. Okay, sorry guys. Now, I was trying to look for Lucas stabilizer. I found it. Next up is Lucas stabilizer. Let me hop in. Thank you. What? Wah. Wait, why is that thing still there? Hold up, let me rejoin the game. Sorry about that, guys. It's just, I don't know what's going on. You leave. Do you see right there Weird Strict Dad is out? Weird Strict Dad, I looked today, and it still says, releasing. Please wait. The surfer is updating. So we left over. Let's do. I think she will not complete. Your next. Oh, we did Ryan Anderson. I forgot. Let me do her again. Yeah, finally it worked. It's just... Alright, next up is Lucas Stabilizer. Oh! It's not our time. Oh yeah, we haven't seen donuts just yet. Bro, he just bonked him. He's like, Oh my God! Now he's stuck. Great. Next up is Northern Nightmare. Oh yeah, rain is starting to pick up. And Northern Nightmare is gonna try to make a backflip and see how he makes it. Oh yeah, let's see it. Oh, Morgan backflip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he's trying to have a hard time trying to make it. Oh my God, the clouds, the trees. Oh, he's trying to have a hard time. Oh, that landed. Guys, is that all? I don't know. We still got more. I don't know. I think that's all. All right. That is all for the day. Remember, okay. Let me show you the tour. So this is what place we did. And then this is brand new. Like, whoa! Do you see? This is like the new. So I think this is going to be, it's not Detroit. I think this is going to be, can you guess? This is gonna be Can you guess? Can you try? This is like the same as San Francisco. I think we're going to do like something. Levi Stadium, Santa Clara, your home of the San Francisco Niners. I think we'll upload it that. And then we're going to turn around to see more. We're going to get rid of that. Oh my God! What was that all about? Well, we got these two trucks fighting. I don't know what they're fighting for. Bro, they're just fighting. We know this is brand new. We know that's brand new. But this is like the same track, but it's now painted. That's still the same, so I'm sad. So this is brand new. Don't see how the race goes. I'll show the other one. Go. It goes like this. Sorry, he's blocking my way, so I need to go like around him. Bro, they made a mistake. Bro, they made a mistake. Why did they do it backwards? All right. And that is all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.